A few moments later.
Going raw, you to work. I heard about your resume. Skirt, open up the sesame. Work, oh no, don't pressure me. Yeah, ooh, yeah, roll out with the referee. Curb, yeah, I'm turning left now. Burn, yeah, the rubber's on my chest now.
I keep God first. I see evil when I converse.
Not today, say.
This how God works. Play my position, what is given with no concerns. Go. Set it off. Top of the morning, I'm gonna set it off. You living boring, I'm gonna set it off. Shooting, I'm scoring, I'm gonna set it off. Like soldiers torn, I'm gonna set it off. Son of God, no, I am not son of man. Blessings keep falling, the fingers keep coming in.
2,000 years later.
Like Uncle Sam. Left to the bank, you know that I'm coming in. We don't do it for the bands though, we don't do it for the clout. Legacy on the line, so I'm moving in and out. Seen good ones turn top dog, greedy ones get knocked off. I keep looking at the bench like I could never not ball.
Hey guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know it was a pretty short one, but I actually want you to follow me on TikTok. I know you don't follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Next video, I'm going to be customizing some vans. These bad boys, they're going to be into custom vans. Yeah, because that's how we roll on this channel. As we're the latest YouTube channel ever, subscribe down below and do everything that every other YouTuber says, like, comment, stuff. So yeah. See you later. Bye. Seriously. Go. Please go. Oh, you're waiting for... Awkward.
Thinking, need a light for the ideas. I'm in a splash zone with the brain waves. I shoot for stars up in my